Okay, so we're in New York and we come here for a job, my husband's job, and also we will visit some friends of us which help us to born this beautiful baby. Let's quick see how we come here. We are going to America. Say hi.
Hi.
It's 4:30 at morning. Rosie have very fluffy shoes, fluffy pants, and a nice t-shirt made of cotton. The flight was like 16 hours. It's like 1.5 hours from Xiamen to Shanghai, and then 14 hours from Shanghai to New York. And with the baby, she's like 2.5 years old. It's very moving baby. She's like to do something. If there is a flight like 5 hours or less, it's so simple to make your baby not cry. You just buy tickets in the time when your baby sleeping, and then she sleep whole flight. But I'm flying 15 hours, so my baby at night, the max time she's sleeping is 8 hours. So I still have a lot of time after these 8 hours. So here I want to show you what I take to the airplane to help myself stay with baby without crying and annoying anyone else, and be nice and good loving mother. Everyone will say, wow, this mother is so nice, her baby is not crying and not bothering everyone, and I'll be like, yes, I am very nice mother, tell me this, tell me, I am so nice. Okay, let's just show you, I will just show you, okay?
Hi.
Hello! The main thing for me to make my trip as comfortable as possible is to prepare my bag. First of all, I prepare the bag with some snacks. I have a seaweed here, like some French fries, some candies, some like sausages. Not necessarily to be healthy snacks. Also, I take some slices of apple.
好的。
And some yogurt. So the next thing is toys. I have different toys here. Mostly it's something like this. And this kind of thing. Some pens. One of the important things is a laptop. It's iPad with totally new games. As many as possible new games. Okay.